Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. So I'm here today to talk about these new climbing safety helmets. This happens to be a Petzl model, and how we've been making accessories to fit these helmets. We have a broad range of accessories, but in this video we're talking about the AMP1 12 HT-P, P for Petzl. Climbing helmets have become very popular in the market. There's a lot of good reasons why. They are more compact, they have a much superior suspension system and improved protection from impact for the end user. I particularly like that they have these chin straps because then this way the helmet stays on your head should you fall or experience an arc flash. This is our new AMP1 12 HT-P. This includes the cap adapters for the Petzl, weight compensating bracket, our face shield with the lever lock system to secure it, ergonomic chin protector. This is a 12 calorie model. Previous to this, you could not put a ArcShield onto this Petzl helmet. Now we made this with what we call a weight compensating bracket. You'll see it comes back longer than what you're used to, and it has a unique pivot point and a very unique helmet adapter specifically for this. So I'm going to attach this. It drops right into the slots like what you're used to with regular construction helmets. And this is our new Presta Release fastener. You heard it go click as it went in place. Very easy to install, very easy to remove. Now, as you'll see, it has a weight compensating feature of that when it comes up and locks, this is approximately centered on the top of the helmet. I can put my finger up inside this helmet and balance this whole unit on the tip of one finger. This way it shows you that it's not going to be pulling your head forward as when you have the shield in the stowed position. Especially with arc flash face shields. The shield is in the stowed position much more than it is in the deployed position because you're only inside the danger zone for a shorter period of time. Then you're outside and you can just flip your shield up. Now, this product also accepts our accessory flashlights. These just simply snap on both ends. Position your flashlight whatever direction you want to have, in, out, up and down. I say just move it to the position you want, let go, and it'll stay there. So with accessory flashlights, with the ergonomic chin protector, locks in the up position, balancing, you have the combination of features and benefits that have never been on the market before.